Make your vision a light of others' welfare. Make your life a guide for others' happiness. Make your struggle a fight for others' peace. Says Bhikkhu Sangasena, whose exemplary life is a message in itself. This time, he gives us a glimpse of the meaningful week spent on Changtang pilgrimage with his Shangri-La team, yet again translating meditation in action, compassion in action. Changtang, a breathtakingly beautiful region in eastern Ladakh. The mystic atmosphere with the majestic mountains, the untrodden path that seems to lead us to eternity, the unbroken path and silence that leaves us hypnotized, and an unending presence of peace that warms our hearts. Alas, how disheartening it is to realize that fear, worry, tension has now started echoing from this otherwise peace-like heaven on earth due to the ongoing India-China border conflict and the coronavirus pandemic.
Hello, our Shangri-La team of the Mahabodhi International Meditation Center is finally here at the Changla, the world's second highest motorable road. It is about 17,000 feet high from the sea level. And our team already have offered prayer at this famous temple. There is a very special temple called Changla Baba temple, and this temple belongs to all, not particular. You will find the statue and the pictures of all the gods and deities of all the different religions. So our Shangri-La team is especially on pilgrimage to the Changtang regions to offer prayer for world peace, for coronavirus-free world, and also for the restorations of the peace on the China-India border, which is now on a very high tensions.
Perfectly exemplifying life with a meaning, mission with a vision, journey with a noble purpose, Bhikkhu Sangasena and his team embarked on a very timely week-long pilgrimage to Changtang region to help people with relief material and the much-needed psychological counseling, emotional and moral support amidst such horrifying situation of fear, tension, worry and anxiety causes due to the conflict situation at the borders and the ongoing pandemic.
We are in a village called Tangse, very ancient village, very holy place. We are visiting one of the very beautiful, famous temple just behind me. Wonderful, situated in the Rocky Mountains, something very special. Right now I'm standing here, is Mane Wall. In Ladakh, Mane means mantra of compassion. Very famous mantra indeed. In the Himalayan region, one may forget his or her own name, but cannot forget to recite this famous mantra, Om Mane Padme Hum. You will see this Mane Wall in every villages, everywhere. Yes, I hope you can also visit one day and get inspirations from these holy mountains, from the holy mantras to develop our spiritual qualities like loving kindness, compassion, wisdom.
The journey of goodness and spirituality always ascends from the known to unknown. There is no ready-made path, no printed map, and no professional guide. The spiritual path is a pathless path. The traveler undertakes his voyage all alone, struggles alone, seeks alone, searches alone, and finally accomplishes alone. Mahabodhi has always been in the forefront to feel genuine gratification to help and support people in need. From offering much needed education to the children, to medical care to the ailing, from geriatric facility to the abundant elderly, to meditation and yoga to the genuine peace seekers. Bhikkhu Sanghasena has touched and transformed the lives of thousands of people with the illuminating power of loving kindness and compassion, which has eventually become the mission of his life. Bhikkhu Sanghasena believes and tirelessly propagates that human life is meant to serve others and not to harm them, and that we must make the best use of this body for the benefits and welfare of all living beings before it is burnt and buried. The joy and satisfaction experienced in empathetic services towards others are indeed inexhaustible, unconditional, and immeasurable.
We are visiting yet another very poor families in one of the remote villages of Changthang region. We are here to distribute some relief, rice, weeds, some blankets, but this is not enough. These types of families, people really require, they need love and care and support much more than just coming and dropping some emergency reliefs. So we are thinking how we can help them, hopefully with the help of our friends, well-wishers, compassionate people from around the world. We hope to help them better in the future. During the winter, where temperature drops down to minus 30, 40, you can just imagine the difficulties they experience. We can't even imagine it.
Prayer succeeds where medicines fail. With this firm belief in their hearts, the team spent hours and days chanting mantras, reciting prayers, performing meditation, and peace walk to radiate peace and harmony at the border and for a corona-free world.
I would like to invite my friends, my peace-loving people, seekers of truth and lover of peace to join me in my prayer for peace, please. We don't want war, we want peace. हमें बुद्ध चाहिए, हमें युद्ध नहीं चाहिए. बुद्धं शरणं गच्छामि, धम्मं शरणं गच्छामि, संघं शरणं गच्छामि, द्वितीयंपि बुद्धं शरणं गच्छामि, द्वितीयंपि धम्मं.
Ever since the border issues erupted, Bhikkhu Sanghasena had been very actively sending appeals and peace messages to the leaders and peace-loving people around the world to come together and avoid war and further escalation of the Indo-China border tension. The team, during the pilgrimage, visited prominent and ancient monasteries in the villages situated at the Indo-China border and offered their sincerest prayer for the early restoration of peace between the two nations. During their visit, The team traveled to the extreme border areas of Changtang region and distributed relief materials besides offering counseling and comfort to the people of remote areas to overcome the fear of the ongoing pandemic and the rising tension at the border.
Natang sangma tugyusen khale jixten bo gangpo dang ding mani kalas bardo jigina senyotuno corona zerkani nachi yonse mi mana lakhung mi tonskan of strong senyotuno real. I also had the privilege to serve in Indian Army, Ladakh Squad, in from 74 to 77. And after my 1 year training, I was posted here. So I served in these regions more than 1 year. So I'm well acquainted with all the border areas in the Chushul areas. You can see that mountains where we have built a lot of these bankers, bankers, all this in mountains during our service here in 1975. India and China are two of the oldest civilizations in existence. They share very deep and long-standing spiritual and cultural relationship. The spiritual and cultural relationship between India and China is much deeper, longer standing, and so much more important than relatively petty enemies created by border disputes and conflicts. These two giant neighboring countries of Asia cannot conceivably think of war and of remaining enemies forever. This century is the century of Asia. It is the time of Asia to lead the world with our ancient most wisdom and widespread culture of peace.
이쪽어 장땅세 뭐 다그린 산하다 긴군이 옵잔남때 캡제스 보았더니 마치 추추줄이 고비 쪽에 잘들 지금 냠포 도제제
사월 탁달로지 사월 전에 양아 저 거를 가르도를 거기가 얘는 거라 장따나 힘을 장가면 때 걸려라
Samar chilo abi samar nyachazina toba
다 다상으로 공아 이거 사월 때 죽나 저 걸지나 다 그걸나 때 힘매도 걸지 마
The Shangri-La team also took the opportunity to pay an unforgettable visit to the war memorials of Indo-China War of 1962 and paid a rich tribute to the martyrs who sacrificed their precious lives for the pride, honor and security of the nation. They sincerely made a wish that the conflict between India and China resolves peacefully and do not take the shape of devastating war.
Hello. Myself and my team, Shangri-La of the Mahabodhi International Meditation Center, Leh Ladakh, who are on a 5-day pilgrimage tour to the Changtang region of Ladakh to offer special prayer for world peace, for coronavirus-free world, and for the restoration of peace on the India-China borders. So now, this is our 3rd day. We are now Chushul village of the Changtang area and the China-India borders. And right now my team are here to remember and to offer our sincere prayer for our brave soldiers, officers who sacrificed their life for the nations in 1962 war here in Chushul area.
Hatred is never appeased by hatred in this world. Only by non-hatred alone is hatred appeased. This is a law eternal. By the blessed power of this truth, May no more war takes place in any corner of the world again. May no mother loses her beloved son again. May no more children loses their dear father again. May no nation loses its brave hearts again. May there be peace in this world. May there be love in everyone's heart. May we all dwell in perfect harmony with each other.
We are on the Chushul village on the China border, and this is the second memorial one, war memorial. You can see this is called 13 Kumao Region Law Memorial. In 1962, when we had the war, there this 13 Kumao regiment was serving while trying to defend our motherland.
Just like fire cannot extinguish fire, war and violence can never be answers to the conflicts. Both the countries, India and China, with rich culture and ancient wisdom, should rather come together as a synergy of rich ancient Asian wisdom to lead the rest of the world. Venerable Sanghasena and the team distributed many relief materials like blankets and food items to the needy people living near the Indo-China border, where living conditions are already very harsh, and the border conflict had only added to the misery and problem of the residents of this otherwise peaceful region.
Sana sini ma putih canang aja cangtang la yong temana kau sodi mana midasal kampal batu pakpe das azu saksung pati tapi sa mana ngaja cangtang la yong ciba ngaja nyeng tak peton itu je.
वादा करे आवचन करे हम छोड़ के नफरत प्यार कर हर जीव का सम्मान कर पंचशील का पालन कर हम अनु अनु की रक्षा कर हम अनु अनु विधिवंश बचे हम अनु अनु की रक्षा कर हम अनु अनु विधिवंश बचे चिंतन करे आमरण करे हम पशु नहीं इंसान बने ये युग नहीं है युद्ध का ये युग नहीं है युद्ध का ये युग है अब बुद्ध का बुद्ध का बुद्ध का.
Hello, we are now on the place called Tsagala on between the Chushul and Tsaga village on the border of extreme border of India and China border, and we are here to offer prayer, no war, peace. Peace, the world needs peace and the world have enough problems. We are already having the biggest coronavirus, war against the coronavirus. We can't afford to have yet another world between these two big countries of the Asia. I am once again appealing to all the peace-loving people of the world, please join me for peace.
Bhikkhu Sanghasena has dedicated his entire life for the benefit of the poor and the deprived. He says, devote each day of your life for the service of the people. Be generous, cultivate good, reflect, perform good deeds. Do not delay, do not postpone, lest you may regret. During their week-long tour, Bhikkhu Sanghasena had also selected many deserving children from the conflict border areas of Changtang region to be admitted in the Mahabodhi Residential School and its hostels.
Hello, warmest greetings from the beautiful village of Anle. Our team, the Shangri-La team of the Mahabodhi International Meditation Center, who are on a 7-day pilgrimage tour. And right now we are here in a beautiful monastery, Tashi Choling Monastery, as well as Naneri.
Wherever the team visited during their pilgrimage, they gave the messages of peace, non-violence, loving kindness and compassion through their divine music, celestial songs and healing mantras, which touched the hearts of hundreds of people and fetched pristine joy and solace to their hearts. The pilgrimage was therefore one of its kinds, full of meaning, purpose and wisdom, an experience par excellence, a lifetime memory to be cherished by the travelers and the people they met alike.
Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Hello friends, very good morning and warmest greetings from the holy land of Anle. I'm standing here just behind this very famous temple called Anle Gompa behind me. And so from here we are going to now another village to visit some temples and to distribute some relief to the some poor families. And also we have been selecting some students from the very poor families for ours for their education in our school and hostels. We also have visited a number of elderly people who are in a really pathetic conditions one cannot imagine. So we have distributed some basic, their basic needs, food, blanket, cloth, etc. And we will also be selecting some of them to be taken to our Mahabodhi old age home. So this has been the purpose of our visit. Firstly, to offer prayer for world peace and coronavirus-free world and the restoration of peace on the China-India borders here.
Bhikkhu Sangasena and his team reached out to some of the extremely downtrodden families who were desperately in need of help and support. The condition in which they were living was unimaginable for people blessed with the comfort and luxuries of life. Many such helpless were selected to brought to Mahabodhi Matri all-aged home at the Devachan campus in Leh.
마부디 간송스가 아용천노 아들 돈땅 지상마 대학 보여리
그렇지.
다디가 직부세 말에 직부스모 가스 스모나 가스 보션
그렇지.
하루 용세세
아야 단
냐랑 피킬 맞죠 맞아 같이 아죽쮸 arrangement ngaji 미지기 냐랑 티디 켈샤스
그렇지.
피킬 맞죠 가죽을 세찬 가나 세찬 가디
그렇지.
Robert Frost had once said, "The woods are lovely, dark and deep, but I promises to keep miles to go before I sleep, miles to go before I sleep." Bhikkhu Sangasena has exactly translated this into his life's mission and ever since has been constantly striving, tirelessly working and passionately following his dream to have a better world for humanity, a better place for everyone to thrive and be happy, a better society for you and me. Heaven is not somewhere far in the deep sky. You can make your present life a heavenly life. You can make your present moment a divine moment.
Diring ka ngata tani na nyuma headquarter na tani Mahabodhi gen sangasina na sangmi sangol tani na nyuma sketches ba ne mana ning takpa ne tani gasu ju gen le skundu ne chak zampu ne tani soda ngata tani zaptu tani program ya mana tani despa sala.
The week-long pilgrimage was indeed a highly significant one that will have long-term positive effect in spirit and action all around the world. But this noble initiative of Bhikkhu Sangha Sena did not end here. Upon returning back to Leh after the pilgrimage, he immediately invited his fellow brothers and sisters from different religions in Ladakh to join him in this endeavor and collectively work, walk and talk for peace. A peace procession of all the religious heads of Leh district was organized to send a strong appeal to the world leaders, international organizations and peace-loving people in the world to join this mission.
Laksangata zero penny power, technology power, political power zero. America sagas muyul chukpo no ngata jixtenina. America sagas penny chokna chukpo, technology chokna chukpo, political power is chokna khongla chimet. During corona zero se khong chang choman sagas mi mangkyak odu sosiyul kana sagas penny mangayot, sagas power tagayot, sagas technology tagat tena mi mangashiale. Depiatene ngata truth is the highest. Love, power of compassion, power of truth, power of God, power of Buddha. Dipyangatang sangme hame Buddha chahiye, hame youth nahi chahiye.
Respected Your Holiness Sri Bhikkhu Sangha Sena, founder and president of Mahabodhi International Meditation Center, Leh Ladakh. It is such a timely thing that you are organizing this walk for peace, pray for peace program in Leh and Ladakh. The entire world is concerned about the tense situation between these two giant countries in Leh Ladakh. We all pray for peace. Love can conquer. War, I would say, is the worst act of reason. And many times what we reason becomes unreasonable. It is high time that we understand our life on this planet is very short. 80, 90, 100 years of human life is nothing. We cannot leave behind a legacy of battle for the coming generation. Let us all unite together. Let us realize Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, the whole world is one family. We should leave behind a legacy of peace for coming generation. Prayer and such sankalpa itself does a lot to unite people, does a lot to change the vibration, the tense atmosphere that is prevailing today. Once again, I congratulate respected Bhikkhu Sangha Sena for taking initiative and organizing for a noble cause. I am always there with you all. Om Shanti.
The world is one of the most beautiful planets in this infinite universe. The trees, the mountains, the blue sky, the air, the lakes, the oceans, the flowers, the birds, the sun and the moon are our shared blessings and treasures. Let us live in peace with them and let them live in peace.